When educators needed a faster, easier way to manage Battle of the Books prep, BattleQuestions.com turned to Imaginovation for a modern rebuild. Their platform was stuck on an outdated codebase. Changes were slow, performance was lagging, and managing the system was a headache. They needed a smoother experience, but without disrupting what users loved. We rebuilt the entire codebase from scratch using modern tools. From backend to interface, everything was redesigned for performance and scalability. Most importantly, we preserved the intuitive look and feel that their users were already familiar with. Under the hood, we used Java 21 with Spring Boot, MySQL for the database, and React for the front end. We also containerized everything with Docker to make deployments faster and more reliable. Rigorous testing ensured a smooth rollout with no surprises. The result? A faster, future-ready platform that's easier to manage. Change requests now take less time, performance has improved, and educators can keep doing what they do best with zero disruption. Have an outdated platform holding you back? Let's rebuild it the right way. Visit Imaginovation.net to get started.